Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, TechG is all about the latest tech and gadgets. Today we are taking a look at this GOVEE Smart table lamp. If you like to add some extra vibes to your desk setup, gaming room, or even use it as a normal night lamp, this is a great way to try without breaking the bank. So let's check what it offers. If you are fancy getting one, please check the link in the description down below, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, as usual, in terms of the packaging, you can see the picture of the lamp and some key features including the QR code for the Smart app are printed on the retail box. As far as the unboxing concerned, you do get this lamp followed by the power adapter and a user guide with a service card. Let's go through with the design and the build quality. In terms of the materials, the light shell is made out of plastic and it is bowl-shaped designed lamp. It has two small feet that helps to rest against the surface and are able to aim to wall or the subject. It is pretty light in weight and won't take much surface space. Can be easily placed in any desk setup. Moving on, it takes 12 volt 1 amp input, and you can see the charging port and the microphone down below. Also, you can use these push control buttons to power on, off, or change the colors. This lamp comes with 3350 mAh inbuilt rechargeable battery, which makes it more portable and take wherever you want. However, you can use the lamp for about 4 hours once it's fully charged, and the charging duration is also about 4 hours from 0 to 100%. Speaking about the color temperatures, this lamp has 2200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin and has 350 lumen. The LED is capable of changing to 16 million different colors and range of warm and cool white tones. Well, setting up the lamp is very straightforward and you do not need any sort of bridge or separate hub to connect. All you need is GOVEE Smart app, which is available on both Apple and Android app stores. This lamp supports Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and use Bluetooth to connect with the smartphone. Once you download it, you can simply follow the on-screen instruction to set up the lamp. Moving on to the app gives the light a whole lot of functionality than on, off, or change colors. Let's find out what you can do with it. With the Effect Lab option, you can try and apply a lot of different colors under different categories. In terms of the brightness and the colors, it is really bright when in dark. Also, you can use this lamp if you are a content creator or product photographer. It can be used for light up products and add some characters to the final outcome. Furthermore, you can use this lamp as a wake up light. Once activated, the light will gradually brighten to set the percentage, and also it can be used as a sleep light doing the opposite. You can set the timer to activate the lamp by selecting the given date and time. Lamp brightness also can be adjusted using the Smart app. And moving on to the next important feature is the music mode. So colors can be changed according to the sound rhythm thanks to the inbuilt microphone. You can adjust the sensitivity while choosing auto color mode or using a single color to response. The next mode is the color option. With this, you can pick the customized color you want from the list or even pick the warm or cold white option. Moving on, it has nearly 32 different lighting effects. You can choose from different categories such as nature, lifestyle, festival effects, and represent effects from under emotion category. Well, let's quickly check few of those lighting effects from the list. And last, with DIY option, you can create your own lighting effects and share it with GOVEE app community. Well, you can completely control this lamp using Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. In my case, I managed to sync with my Alexa easily just following the on-screen instructions. You can turn on or off the light, or even you can change the colors by voice command. Alexa, turn on desk lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, change desk lamp to red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn desk lamp to green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn desk lamp to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn desk lamp to white.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off desk lamp.
Okay.
So this is pretty much all the features this desk lamp has to offer. If you like to add an extra vibe to your desk setup or to your gaming room, this is a perfect way to achieve it within a decent price tag. Furthermore, having a compact size smart light like this, you can easily carry around and place it anywhere you want. With the Smart tab, you get the freedom of choosing your favorite colors, and with the music mode, you can enjoy your favorite track with some extra vibes. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this table lamp in the comment section below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribe to see more videos like this. Well, see you again with another one and stay safe.